Hey guys, JaCory Marshall here, your personal trainer with Traveling Trainers. Today we got a new topic to discuss. We started with motivation, went to inspiration. Now we're going to consistency, a part of your regimen that you need to have in trying to reach the goals that you're trying to reach at. Be it playing sports, be it at your job, be it within your family, your community, whatever it may be, your health and wellness goals, from trying to get new PR to just starting, okay? So we talk about motivation with the rah-rah, yes, let's go get them, especially after the new year. And now we talk about inspiration, which actually helps you when the rah-rah dies down, as in looking at somebody you admire or being in a group that inspires each other, or whatever have you. It could be a quote, it could be anything. It could be parents who are aging, and you might want to, reverse that routine right there, or it could be an example for your kids. Anyway, find your inspiration. Now we got consistency. All right, this means the day in and day out grind, which we can definitely fall short on. Okay, so when we talk about consistency, we're talking about having that pattern. Wake up, da 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 da, routine, habit. What's the next? Da 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 da. What's this? Da da da. See results. See what went right, what went wrong, and do it again or revamp it. Okay. It has to be the long haul. Once again, we're not talking about being the rabbit in this race. We're talking about being the turtle, the tortoise. Consistency, running that same race. You might not see it as fast as you want to, but running that same race, because before you know it, when you look up, you'll be way down the line. All right. The rabbit might have finished first, but you have built yours in a firm foundation. All right, that won't cripple, it won't fall through situations, because you've tested, retested, you've messed up. It's okay to mess up. You need to mess up. You probably heard in a lot of books, a lot of teachers, whoever, friends. It's okay to mess up, but then you correct it, then you continue that consistency. All right, that's what it's all about. Life is about trying to get it right, but not in a fast manner, so that you do it correctly. All right, guys. Next, I'm gonna have a different topic to end this one out, and then we'll go from there. But like always, Traveling Trainers, wellness first, no excuses. See you guys later.